On Friday, the 17th of October 2025, Wellspring Mental Health Initiative, in partnership with the Lagos Achievers Leo Club, visited Girls Academy Secondary School in Simpson Street, Lagos Island, in honour of the International Day of the Girl Child. This important outreach was designed to empower and support young girls with the knowledge and skills they need to live healthy, confident, and safe lives. The event featured a lecture on menstrual hygiene, helping the students understand their bodies, maintain proper hygiene, and fight the stigma associated with menstruation. As part of promoting menstrual health and dignity, 200 menstrual pads were generously donated to the students. The girls were further enlightened on peer pressure and sexual health, equipping them to make informed decisions, set boundaries, and prioritize their well-being, even in challenging situations. A key highlight of the outreach was the mental health awareness session led by Ada Blessing from the Wellspring Mental Health Initiative. She emphasized that every girl's mental health matters, regardless of who they are, reinforcing the message of self-worth, emotional well-being, and a supportive school environment. The students also received awareness about WMHI and club opportunities, encouraging them to engage in organizations that help build their leadership and personal growth. This impactful outreach was made successful through the support and coordination of the schools, principal, and dedicated teachers.